What's up, guys? You saw the title. Today I'm going to be cutting the straps off of my Fear of God Raid 1s. Really love this shoe. I've been wearing it a few times since I got it, but I never really know how I want to set up the laces or the straps. I think they're kind of intended to be something like this, you know, tight laces, everything's tucked in like this. I've kind of been wearing them with the straps tucked into the sides here and having the laces exposed. I just like the look of having the laces showing, so that's what I've been doing. However, it doesn't really work very well. Like, the straps don't stay tucked in. They kind of pull out like this when I'm wearing them, and it doesn't work out. So I like them way better without the straps, so what I'm going to do, just cut them off. So let's get started. After I cut the straps off of one of the shoes, I just did a quick on-foot comparison so you could see them right next to each other, one shoe with the straps and one shoe with the straps cut off. Now, here's a final on-foot look of the straps cut off on both shoes. So, what do you guys think? Did I ruin them? Let me know in the comments down below, and thanks for watching.